Children, let's discuss about what is probability. We know that when a coin is thrown, it has two possible outcomes. What is the meaning of outcomes? Means suppose when we will toss the coin, so there will be only two things will come. First is head and second is tail. In a coin there are two faces only. First is head and second is tail. So if firstly head will come, so this head, when it will come, so it is first outcome, and if tail will come, so this is second outcome. Okay, so it has two possible outcomes, head or tail. And for a dice we have 6 possible outcomes. Why 6? Because in a dice there are only 1 to 6 numbers, 1 2 3 4. If you will play the Ludo, then you know it very well that in a dice there are only 6 numbers. So we also know from experience that for a coin, head or tail is equally likely to be obtained. Equally, why? Because if sometimes head will come, so that time tail also may come. Okay, tail is equally likely to be obtained. We say that the probability of getting head or tail is equal and is 1/2 for each. This 1/2, from where it came here, you should understand that this 1/2 means this one. Suppose if we will toss a coin, so there will be only two possibilities. First is head and second is tail. So if a coin will be tossed, so number of favorable outcome means it there may come head also, there may come tail also in a coin. So number of favorable outcome, but at the same time, means when we will toss one time that coin, so at that time only one outcome will come. So that is why one only, either it will come head or it will come tail. These both together cannot come when we will toss the coin. Okay, and total number of outcomes are, how many total possibilities are there in a coin when we will toss it? There are head and tail, total 2 outcomes are there. Okay, so that is why the probability will be 1/2. Understood?